We've all been there before. You open a blank document, look at the blinking cursor, and then look at your 100 different buttons at the top of your screen, and it just feels stuck. Where do you even start? Hi everyone, I am Silas. If Microsoft Word feels a little overwhelming, don't worry, you are actually in the majority. Today we are stripping away the jargon and the complicated tools. I am going to show you the big 3 basics. That's how to write, how to format, and how to save so you never lose your way. By the end of this video, the blank page feeling is going to be gone. Whether you are writing a letter to a friend or your very first resume, you are going to have total control. Let's start with the absolute basics. First things first, the ribbons. That's the big bar of buttons at the top. That's what I'm pointing at. Think of it like a kitchen drawer. You don't need every tool to make a sandwich, and you don't need every button here to write a great letter. Let's first talk about the home tab or the home ribbon. This is the home base. 80% of what you do is done here. That's changing fonts, making text bold, or centering a title. To follow along, enter this command. And now, our document looks like a plain wall of text. It's readable, but it's not exactly professional. To fix that, we are going to look at the font and paragraph groups on your home tab. First, let's talk about fonts. If you are writing a formal letter, stick to classics like Times New Roman or Calibri. This is where you change the fonts. So I'll stick with Times New Roman. Now let's talk about alignment. Most of your work will be left aligned. That's the default. If you have a title, click on this button here to center it. This will make it the title. Then you can also underline it or bolding it and even italize it. And if you feel like your lines are too squished together, look for the icon with the top and down arrows. That's your line spacing. And select from either 1.0, 1.15 or 1.5 and give some space between your selected, your highlighted documents here. So this will be changing it. So that it sets it to your preferred space that you want, and that is it. You just went from staring at a blank screen to understanding the core DNA of Microsoft Word. It might feel like a lot right now, but remember, every aspect was once a beginner who just refused to quit. I want to see what you create. Pick one of these two projects and try it out today. If you run into any button that doesn't do what you think it should, drop a comment below and I'll help you troubleshoot. If you don't want to take notes, I've put a link to this one-page cheat sheet in the description. You can check it out. If this video made Word feel even a little less scary, hit that like button so I can know to make more back to basics guides for you. Don't forget to subscribe for our next deep dive into intersecting tables. Thanks for watching. Happy typing.